Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: GC key or a sign-in partner account, your application number and UCI, and digital copies of passport and documents. Once signed in, choose Link an application to your account and enter the application number exactly as given. Small typos break matching. Make sure the name and birth date match the visa application. If you don't yet have a GC key, create one now using a secure password and recovery answers before proceeding to the next step. Once you've initiated linking, input the application number, UCI, and passport number carefully, no extra spaces or dashes, then verify the displayed applicant name. Next, upload documents in the required formats and sizes. Use one flattened PDF for multi-page forms to avoid upload errors. Make sure to complete any consent checkboxes and digitally sign where prompted. Pause to review each entry line by line, because corrections after submission can be slow or require new requests. You finish by submitting the link request and saving the confirmation number or screenshot for your records. Then monitor your account inbox and your email for a confirmation message. This confirms the application is attached. If the system reports a mismatch, don't repeatedly resubmit. Instead, gather your passport, application number, and UCI and contact IRCC via the web form. As a quick fix, recheck for small typos or alternative passport numbers, and retry only after verifying those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.